not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of yesterday's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Now let's start. India's first indigenously developed next generation anti-radiation missile can be launched from air to surface, surface to air to air or surface to surface. The answer is A, air to surface. India's first indigenously developed next generation anti-radiation missile is an air to surface missile having a strike range of over 100 kilometers, completely designed and developed by DRDO. And this missile can be fired from Sukhoi fighter jets, which can be launched from different altitudes. Recently, this missile has been tested successfully in the coastal Odisha. What is the theme for the 2019 National Voters' Day? Accessible elections, no voters to be left behind, empowering young and future events, inclusive and qualitative participation. The answer is B, no voters to be left behind is the theme for the 2019 National Voters' Day. Election Commission of India celebrating 25th January as National Voters' Day every year since 2011. 9th National Voters' Day is being celebrated today. Now from exam point of view, remember these points, very important. Election Commission of India was formed on 25th of January 1950. The first Election Commissioner of India was Sukumar Sen and the present Election Commissioner of India is Sunil Arora. The Election Commission is a permanent and independent body established by the Constitution of India under Article 324, which mandates the Chief Election Commissioner and Election Commissioners to be appointed by the President of India. What is the name of the opposition leader of Venezuela backed by United States of America? Nicolas Maduro, Rafael Caldera, Ramon Jose, Juan Guaido. The answer is D. Juan Guaido is the name of the opposition leader of Venezuela backed by USA. Juan Guaido declared himself as the interim president before demonstrators in Caracas. Caracas is the capital of Venezuela. Now there is a political instability in Venezuela. Let's see the series of events which took place. In March 2013, Hugo Chavez, the president of Venezuela since 1998, dies of cancer. Under Hugo, the Venezuela achieved high economic growth rate. In April 2013, Nicolas Maduro elected as the president, and under his president there is a decline in Venezuela's socio-economic status. Crime has been increased, there is inflation, poverty, hunger increased, and the living standards of the Venezuela citizens decreased. Therefore, all these issues made them to protest nationwide. There is 87% of the country's population lived in poverty in 2017. In 2018, Maduro has been re-elected but only with the lowest ever voter turnout in the history of the Venezuela. Nicolas Maduro's first term has expired on 10th of January 2019, but still he was continued. Therefore, 2019 National Assembly declares Maduro's presidency as illegitimate and many countries back Juan Guaido as the president. The countries includes the US, Brazil, Canada, Chile, Colombia and Peru. Bandipur National Park is located in which of the following state? Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu or Andhra Pradesh? The answer is B, Karnataka. Bandipur National Park is located in the state of Karnataka. National parks are very important from exam point of view. Do remember along with their states, as previously many times asked in many exams. Bandipur National Park established in 1974 as a tiger reserve under Project Tiger. The National Highway 766 which connects Kozhikode in Kerala to Mysore of Karnataka, passes through the Bandipur Tiger Reserve and Wayanad National Park. Now, there is a 9-year-old ban on traffic between 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. in these both places of the national parks. Therefore, there is a proposal to construct the elevated roads through the sections of the Bandipur Tiger Reserve to tackle this ban of traffic on National Highway 766. What is the name of the naval base commissioned in North Andaman? INS Kohasa, INS Kalinga, INS Dega, INS Dviparakshak. The answer is A. INS Kohasa is the name of the naval base commissioned in Northern Andaman. The Navy Chief Admiral Sunil Lanba commissioned the Naval Air Station in Jaipur of Northern Andaman. The base is in close proximity to Coco Islands of Myanmar. The 5-day literature festival, built as the world's largest free literary event, started at which place? Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Jaipur. The answer is D. Jaipur. The world's largest free literary event started in the city of Jaipur. The 12th edition of Jaipur Literature Festival started at the iconic Diggi Palace of Jaipur. Nobel laureate Venki Ramakrishnan, who received Nobel Prize for Chemistry, delivered the keynote address. Which country's president will be in India as a chief guest at the Republic Day? China, USA, South Africa, Japan. The answer is C. South Africa. South African President Cyril Ramaphosa is the Republic Day chief guest. South Africa is a country on the southernmost tip of the African continent. Now it has 3 capitals. Do remember, very important. Cape Town is the legislative capital, Pretoria is the administrative capital, and Bloemfontein is the judicial capital. And the currency is the South African rand. Which of the following is a dominant gas in the atmosphere? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, methane. The answer is B. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is a dominant gas in the atmosphere. Almost 78% of the atmosphere consists of the nitrogen, which is chemically inactive and doesn't react, but nitrogen released as part of the compounds from agriculture, sewage and biological waste is reactive. So far we have focused only on carbon dioxide and its impact on global warming, but reports says nitrous oxide N2O, which is 300 times more potent than carbon dioxide. Now 18 Indian institutions to study the quantum and impact of nitrogen pollution in South Asia. Now what are the threats due to nitrogen pollution? There will be a biodiversity loss, pollution of rivers and seas, ozone depletion, etc. Let's see the question for the day. Indian Railways Catering and Tourism Corporation IRCTC survey ranks which of the following trains as least clean among premium trains? Earlier we have discussed in detail regarding the IRCT survey ranks. Hope you remember. We have discussed the cleanest train among the premium trains. Now you need to mention your answers in the comment section, which is a least clean train among these premium trains. The options are Tejas, Shatabdi, Duronto or Rajdhani. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. Which of the following launching vehicle launched ISRO's first mission of 2019? PSLV C-44, GSLV C-44, PSLV C-43, GSLV C-43. The answer is A. PSLV C-44, as rightly answered by few people in the comment section. Malayala Falguna and Suresh E. Thank you all guys for following my videos regularly. Do remember the series of the PSLV, as this is the first ISRO's mission in 2019. PSLV C-44 launches military satellite named as Microsat-R. Now, along with this satellite, it also launches student satellite named as Kamalsat, made by Space Kids India, weighing just 1.26 kg. ISRO is developing small satellite launch vehicle which is smaller than PSLV, and the first SSLV launch will take place this year. Quote for the day: without willpower, no gains will be made. So always have a strong willpower, because if you have a willpower, then none can stop you from achieving your dreams. This is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.